welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Caudalie. If you're joining me for the first time, then thank you so much for stopping by. I really hope you guys enjoy my YouTube videos and my channel, and please do subscribe if you do like my content. If you are a returning subscriber, thank you once again for returning in this brand new video. Today I'm going to be showing you how to apply and use a clay mask. I also will be showing you sort of the skincare routine that you need to do after removing the clay mask. I just thought it might be useful for people that are trying out skincare for the first time and want to know exactly what routine you should be following and how to apply a clay mask. So I really hope that this is going to be useful and all the information that I share will be helpful to you. So do give it a thumbs up if it is useful, and do give me some feedback in the comment section below. I'll link the mask that I'm going to be using in the description below, so do make sure to check it out if you haven't already. And yeah, let's get straight into today's video. So guys, the choice of clay mask I'll be using today is from L'Oreal Paris. It's this pure clay detox mask. I absolutely love this mask because it just unclogs your pores, it cleanses your pores, and it detoxifies your skin as well. I really love it. Clay masks generally are very great for detoxifying. Obviously there's different clay masks for different things, but this one particularly is for drawing out any dirt or oils that are in the skin, and basically cleanses and cleans out your pores. So I really like this clay mask. The other thing about clay mask that is really great is for people with oily skin. It tends to really attract to the oils really nicely and helps to get rid of excess oil. So I really love using clay masks, especially when I feel like my skin just needs a bit of cleansing inside into the pores on a deeper level. I really like to go in with my clay masks. I have combination skin, so I tend to get quite clogged up around my T-zone area, so just around my nose, my forehead, sometimes a little bit of my cheeks, but my cheeks tend to be more on the dry side. But I like to go in with this all over my face just to detoxify it. And in terms of using a clay mask or any sort of mask, I would probably say use it twice a week. Obviously if you've got oilier skin than I do, then use it probably 3 times, but I think 2 times is mainly the amount of times you want to use clay mask, because you don't want to overdo it as well. I just tend to use it 1 to 2 times a week, depending on what my skincare and what my skin needs. So that's what I tend to do. And then I just use it with a brush that looks like so. Sometimes I use it with my fingers, to be honest, but for the purpose of this video I'm going to be showing you using a brush. So what you just want to do is to open up your mask like so, and then all I just do is I just dip my brush into the clay mask, just the amount that I need, and all I just do is just go over with a thin layer. You want to apply a thin layer because you don't want it to be too thick, because it's not going to work effectively. That's something that I learned when I studied my beauty therapy, that you don't want to go in with a thick layer of face mask. You just want to apply a thin layer so that it penetrates effectively into the skin. So that's all I'm just doing. It's just applying a thin base. So if your face was dry, like on your cheeks, you can actually just apply it just in the areas where you want to draw out oils. So like for example, if I had like an oily T-zone, I'll just apply it on my T-zone and then leave my cheeks and everything else out of it. But because I haven't used a clay mask in a while, I just really need to draw out some excess oil because I haven't used it in ages. What you want to make sure you do is you apply it onto your neck as well. You definitely don't want to neglect that or leave that out. Just like that. I'm just going to apply a little bit in the forehead area. Yeah, but that's pretty much my application. It's just a nice thin layer like so, and then I just leave that for about 15 minutes and then it just dries up. What my skin looks like with the mask on. I'm going to leave it on for 10 minutes tops. Sometimes it actually dries at around 7 minutes, especially if my skin is dehydrated, which I think it might be in certain areas, but you don't want to leave it any longer than 20-30 minutes. That's just going to dry up your skin and cause irritation. So just go with the advised timing that your mask is suggesting, and then wash it off, and then I'll show you guys the skincare that I do afterwards. And also I just wanted to add that before I applied the mask onto my face, I had already pre-cleansed my face and washed it, so it was already nice and clean to begin with. You always want to make sure your skin is freshly cleansed before you apply the mask on. So guys, my mask is ready to wash off. I'm not going to show you the close-up of this because it freaks me out, and I know that there's other people that probably would get freaked out by the look of pores and all of that. So I am going to wash this off now and then finish off the routine. So guys, after I took off the clay mask, after I washed it off, I went in with my toner. This is the toner that I use. This is the Moisturising toner from Caudalie, and it looks like this. And I just used a cotton pad, to tone. And then after that, I went in with my moisturizer, which is the Avene Hydrating Aqua Gel moisturizer, and then I popped on my SPF 50 from the Roche Posay. This is the Anthelios Invincible Fluid SPF, and that was pretty much my routine. Obviously, if it was in the night time, you would just cleanse, use your clay mask, apply your toner afterwards, then use serums or any sort of treatments that you're going to use, then moisturize, and that is pretty much the routine. But obviously, because it's in the afternoon / morning time, you have to pop on your SPF. So I really hope that that video was really easy to follow in terms of how to apply a clay mask and then the routine afterwards. Do leave me your comments in the comment section below. Give it a thumbs up as well. I'll link all of the products that I've used, including the clay mask that I used as well, and I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Thank you so much for watching, and bye dolls.